What's up, Anchor holder? What's the prediction? What's the opinion? Kid of coming time, there is a chance today will make up and they go in the moon or not, my brother. After this prediction, absolutely you understand, my brother. After this video to upcoming time, they will wake up and they go in the moon or not. Let's get started without any time waste. Before I get started the video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. This time, if you could see, my brother, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this chart as predicted this, my friend, and absolutely what I talk you absolutely is going to be 100% right. And after that, my friend, I give you a proof, my brother. So you can see here after this, you can see here they completely moving at this circulation. You can see here on the chart. Yes, absolutely, my brother. It's the end, if you can see here, end of this arrow, my friend, you can see here, the end last arrow is going to show you today will moving upward. So definitely they will going upward in upcoming time. Let's check out to my prediction is going to be right or not. Let's see, my brother. Kindly, if my prediction is going to be right, promise me to you subscribe my channel and like my video. Let's check out. Oh my goodness, this time of 50, the anchor is completely moving upward now, and my prediction is completely right. So I advise you, my brother, kindly hold it. You can see here this time plus 3.74% jump. Oh my goodness, the completely profit. You can see here plus 0.11 USD dollar is the latest price, and they completely go in the moon now. So Anchor, after a long time, they take a jump. It's mean to at the end of month they also moving upward, especially at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my brother, at the end of month they will give you very good profit. And remember, to Anchor is not a good coin, my friends, for a long time investor. So kindly you invest for a short time. I hope, my friends, they will give you very good profit. Kindly like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type videos.